Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a very simple and delectable peda recipe with very few ingredients. Best thing about this recipe is that you can make this sweet in just 7 minutes. Friends, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please support me by subscribing to my channel. A very happy Diwali to you and your family. For making pedas, take a pan and add quarter cup of ghee followed by 1 cup of milk which is at room temperature. To this add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar which is about 40 grams. This quantity is after powdering the sugar, so 1/3 cup is less than half a cup, so this is for medium sweetness. Whisk it till the sugar dissolves. Now simmer the stove and add 2 cups of milk powder. Each cup is 100 grams, so totally 200 grams of milk powder I'm adding. Add the milk powder in batches, to avoid the formation of lumps. As you add the milk powder, keep whisking with a whisk so that it gets well mixed with the milk and ghee that we have added. Now to this add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder followed by a pinch of salt to enhance the taste and flavor. Whisk again. You must cook this over a very slow flame only, otherwise it will get burnt at the bottom. Now keep away the whisk and use a silicone spatula to scrape off the milk stuck at the sides of the pan like this. Scraping ensures that the mixture doesn't get browned at the sides and all that. So you must keep cooking until the liquid evaporates and the mixture turns more gooey. Now you can see the mixture has turned little thick. Now scraping at the sides is not required as the dough doesn't get stuck at the sides. It has left the sides of the pan as the ghee gets separated from the dough. Now this is the perfect consistency for making pedas. After adding the milk powder, it took totally 7 minutes to get this consistency. Now switch off the stove and swiftly transfer the dough to a plate and spread the mixture well like this. To get smooth pedas, gently mix the dough with a spatula and let it cool in room temperature for 2 hours, after which you can refrigerate the mixture for 1 hour, to shape the pedas. This is the peda stamper. I'm going to use this for making designs over the pedas. Make a ball out of the dough and place it over a sheet of butter paper like this. Now press it with the stamper, to get beautiful designs. I bought this stamper from Amazon. I have given the buying link in the description box. I got totally 3 stamped designs with this peda stamper. Now I'm using only one design, which is the standard design for making pedas. See how beautiful it looks. You can just see. If you don't have a peda stamper, you can use cookie cutters, to make various shapes. Now you can garnish the pedas with slivers of pistachios and strands of saffron. The pedas have come out excellently and you can see the finishing, how perfect it is. Smooth, silky, melt in mouth and quite scrumptious. Friends, please try this recipe for the Diwali and write your feedback to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video and my recipe, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon and share this recipe with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.